Hello everyone, today we will see the MCQs in Biomechanics Part 1. So let's see the same. Number 1, the study of forces acting on a body in motion is called A. Statics, B. Kinetics, C. Kinematics, D. Dynamics. So the answer is B. Kinetics. Number 2, the center of gravity in human body in anatomical position lies approximately at A. S1 vertebrae, B. L5 vertebrae, C. Anterior to S2 vertebrae, D. Posterior to L3 vertebrae. So the answer is C. Anterior to S2 vertebrae. Number 3. The first class liver in body are best exemplified by A. Biceps during the elbow flexion, B. Standing on tiptoe, C. Atlanto-occipital joint, D. Knee joint. So the answer is C. Atlanto-occipital joint. Number 4. A movement in the sagittal plane occurs around which axis? A. Vertical, B. Mediolateral, C. Anteroposterior, D. Longitudinal. So the answer is B. Mediolateral. Number 5. The function of a patella is to A. Decrease the friction, B. Act as a shock absorber, C. Increase mechanical advantage of quadriceps, D. Protract tibia. So the answer is C. Increase the mechanical advantage of quadriceps. Number 6. In the stress strain curve, the yield point indicates A. Permanent deformation begins, B. Maximum stress, C. Failure point, D. Recovery. So the answer is A. Permanent deformation begins. Number 7. In closed chain exercise, movement at one joint A. Occurs independently, B. Is always concentric, C. Affects the movement at other joints, D. Is isometric. So the answer is C. Affects the movements at other joints. Number 8. During the quiet standing, the line of gravity passes A. Behind the hip, B. Through the knee, C. Anterior to ankle, D. Posterior to cervical spine. So the answer is C. Anterior to ankle. Number 9. The law of acceleration is A. First law, B. Second law, C. Third law, D. Hooke's law. So the answer is B. Second law. Number 10. A second class lever has the following order: A. Effort, fulcrum, load, B. Fulcrum, load, effort, C. Load, effort, fulcrum, D. Fulcrum, effort, load. So the answer is B. Fulcrum, load, effort. Number 11. The unit of force is dash: A. Watt, B. Newton, C. Pascal, D. Joule. So the answer is Newton. Number 12. During the gait, the highest ground reaction force occurs during A. Heel strike, B. Mid stance, C. Push off, D. Toe off. So the answer is C. Push off. Number 13. Newton's third law of motion is A. F is equal to ma, B. A body remains at rest or in motion unless acted upon, C. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, D. Acceleration is proportional to force spasticity management. So the answer is C. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Number 14. Which joint has the greatest degree of freedom? A. Hinge joint, B. Pivot joint, C. Ball and socket joint, D. Saddle joint. So the answer is C. Ball and socket joint. Number 15. An isometric contraction involves A. Muscle shortening, B. Muscle lengthening, C. No change in muscle length, D. Rapid alternating contractions stroke. So the answer is C. No change in muscle length. So thank you for watching the video.